Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to do the AI trend on the TikTok. So many people are searching about how they can do the AI trend on the TikTok. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on this plus icon. Once you will do it, now you have to search for the effects by clicking on the effects option right here. Just tap on it, and once you will do it, multiple filters will be appear here. Simply you have to search for the AI, and if we can search for the AI right here, AI, multiple effects will be appear here. So you can select any AI effect from here and create a video on it. Moreover, if you want to use the perfect AI, you can use Kyber.ai or other applications to follow this trend. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.